So I'm just headed down the mountain here. I'm headed for some trails that I've never done before. Yep. I often wonder what's going to happen when I finally do all the trails. Well, I'll worry about that when it comes. Anyway, I'm heading down here and we're going to find some new trails, see how I do. But first, we got to get down this mountain. Well, I was looking for a trail. This one says Silver King, and I thought it was supposed to be mine. I think they changed the names on some of these trails, and I'm not sure which is which, but let's do it anyway. See what it's like. Last time I was here, I was a little afraid to do this one. Woo! It was climb, rocky climb. I'm still a little apprehensive, but I know I could do this. I'm afraid of the drop-offs, is what I'm afraid of. There's also a lot of people here today, and I'm a little afraid of these blind corners. Jeez, this is a two-way trail. How could this possibly be a two-way trail? You're going to get in some serious trouble if somebody comes the other way. Woo! Come on. I think these trails I hit that stupid rock because I was looking at it, and then I was looking at this rock and I thought I was going to hit it. These trails have kind of gotten beaten up. We had a couple of rainstorms not too long ago, and they definitely got chewed up. They got ridden while they were wet, which really messes up the trails. Okay, don't look at the rocks. And don't go too slow. Not too slow. Woo! It's so dark in there I can see my headlight. Wow, these little single tracks are all about balance. I can see practicing going really slow and really practicing your balance would help tremendously on these things. And staying calm and loose is the key to doing it. Wow, they even put up little sticker thingies just to make sure you don't go off the cliff there. I got off balance. That's it. Keep the speed up. Come on, don't slow down. And yes, I'm looking right down in front of me. Pretty much. And then just taking a peek of what's ahead. Wow, this is a cool trail. It's challenging, a little spooky on some of those drop-offs to the left, man. But I like it because it's pushing me. I'm definitely past my comfort level. It's funny, even though I know I could do this, it's just that doubt behind your mind, that little bit. Well, at least my mind. Probably not your mind. Wow. There's actually trees here. Look at this, green grass. Huh. Wow, this is a really nice area. It's all these old oak trees. All right. Come on now, keep riding. Wow, this is really nice. Come on. Don't slow down. Yes. Oh, I'm so glad I'm getting so much better at those. You want to slow down, but that's the absolute, well, we're out. Oh, let's keep going this way. That's the absolute worst thing you could possibly do is slow down. In fact, what you really want to do is speed up. It's counterintuitive, goes against everything your brain is telling you, but you do it anyway. And it turns out to be much easier. Wow, it's amazing. You know, in dirt bike riding, you have to do things that are counterintuitive. You have to do things that your brain is telling you, stop, slow down, what are you doing? And the correct thing to do is to go, speed up and accelerate. And it's such a dichotomy. I mean, your brain's telling you to do one thing, let's go this way. But yet, to do it correctly and actually to make it much easier, you do the other. And you literally have to tell your brain to just shut up. I'm not going to listen to you on this one. And you do what your thinking brain is telling you to do. And I'm finding the more I could do that, and the more I could just block out my I guess you call it a primitive brain, and just use your logical brain, riding is much easier. And you think it'd be scarier, but it's just the opposite. Because things become so much easier that it makes it not only easier, but funner. And that's kind of like your reward. It's like training Pavlov's dogs. You get a little ring every time you get to eat. Well, if you go past your comfort level every time you do something fun and rewarding, wow, you're going to keep doing it. Yeah, so if you guys are struggling, especially in newer riders, I don't know how to tell you to do that, to override your brain, but just know that doing it has a great reward on the other side. Come on. Concentrating. Ooh, wow. It's funny, it wasn't too long ago that these were some of the first kind of motorcycle single track trails that I'd ever taken, and man, was I apprehensive. And I think it's only been like 4 or 5 months. Can't believe how much better I've gotten. I don't know, do you guys, have you ever gone through like it's almost like a growth spurt. It's like a riding spurt where you kind of just stayed at a certain level for a long time, and then all of a sudden, boing, you just got so much better. Wow, this is just going on the ridge here. There's the road down there. Oh yeah, I've been down this before. And I gotta tell you, I am in so much more control now because I'm using the rear brake. And some front brake, but mostly rear. Last time I came through, I only used the front. I don't know what I was thinking. Whew. All right. Oh, we're right back where we started from. There you go. Just made one huge loop. Oh, that was fun. I think I'll head up this way and see if I can find some more trails. Anyway, this is Colin. I'll see you guys later. Wait a minute. What are you still doing here? Get off the couch, go get your gear, get your bike, and go riding. There, isn't that better?